What's up, guys? I'm pumped. We're doing the team randoms for Pristine Case number 1. So just to be clear, I copy and pasted the list twice, so we should have 30 names in here. If for some reason we don't, I'll stop the video, still upload it, etc. For the teams, Vegas and Seattle are dropped. There are no Vegas cards, and if there is, then I made a mistake, and I'll just random it to, I don't know, someone who gets shut out or something. So we're going to do one timestamp, 104, 104, and we're going to random each list 3 times. 1, 2, and we do have 30, so that's good. And 3. Dylan, you're on top, sir. And for the teams, 1, we have 30. I didn't screw up. 2, and 3. Florida on top. San Jose on the bottom. So Dylan, you got Florida. I'm not going to name everything. I'll just slowly scroll through the list here. All right, and I'll post it in the chat. I'll do one more timestamp. And 105, it's 105.